Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is your reading for July the 18th to July the 20th, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, no? Kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check yung ibang reading, meron po tayong kabilang channel that is Pabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, Sagittarius, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Sagittarius, no, simulan na natin. Ang nakikita ko dito, medyo itinatanong mo, no? Medyo in doubt tayo kung totoo bang mahal tayo, no, ng person natin, kung totoo bang meron siyang nararamdaman sa atin, to a point na baka itinatanong pa natin ito sa mga kaibigan niya, no? Kasi meron kang parang nakikita na medyo inililihis nung kapag nagtatanong ka, iniiba ni person yung usapan, or parang nakikita mo na feeling mo, wala pa naman yung ibang cards dito to confirm, pero feeling mo na bakit ako lang yung nagmamahal, ako lang yung parang feeling ko ako lang yung seryoso, bakit parang pakiwari ko, hindi ako nabibigyan ng sabihin nating oras, no? Effort, ako lang palagi. So nakikita mo, more of ikaw yung nagtatrabaho sa connection. Ikaw ang parang sinasabi nating more of yung nagda-drive ng connection para maging seryoso. Kung hindi ka pa magsasalita, kung wala ka pang gagawin, no? Feeling mo stagnant yung situation or yung connection mo. With the Eight of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Knight of Swords, I feel like you're not on the same pace with your person. It felt like your person here, pwede natin sabihin tamad, no? Sagittarius, tamad in a way dahil wala siyang parang ka-effort, wala siyang kalambing-lambing, no, sa katawan. To a point wherein siguro parang pipilitin mo pa siya pag samahan mo naman ako, no? Or punta tayo sa ganito, birthday ni ganyan, no? Ayoko, no? With the Knight of Swords also, I'm seeing here na may meron siyang mga mood swings, no? Itong si person, merong sometimes palaging galit, no? Or meron siyang parang with the King of Swords in here. Talaga kasi pag sinabi niyang ayaw niya, no? Madalas dito parang feeling mo you are left alone. Humingi ka na ngayon ng mga payo, how you can handle this kind of person, how you can handle a person who parang mag-join ka naman, no? We are in a relationship and dapat meron ditong sabihin nating um, we are in a relationship at dapat meron tayong common ground, no? Meron tayong mga bonding moments, pero wala hindi tayo napupunta doon sa part na ah, hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng parang camaraderie, no? Wala tayong um, sabihin nating mga moments na pwede nating i-post or wala masyado, no? Meron naman, pero hindi ganun. With the Four of Cups and the Seven of Cups, you feel like also baka yung itong si person, no? Merong mga options. Minsan nararamdaman mo siguro na bakit si person laging gumagawa ng excuse, either lagi nasa overtime or laging may lakad, hindi ako nabibigyan ng halaga. So those are, sabihin natin, mga naiisip mo bakit pakiramdam mo si person is hindi seryoso sa relationship, no? With the Four of Swords and the Queen of Cups. So nakikita natin dito yung pagod mo, no? Mas more on na nakikita mo yung pagod mo kaysa sa pagod niya. Kasi ang parang dito with the Four of Swords is more of emotionally, no, exhausted tayo. Kasi parang nanlilimos, no? Parang nanlilimos pa tayo ng pagmamahal, ng attention, ng affection. With the Wheel of Fortune and the Seven of Pentacles, what I am seeing in here is tayo ang masyadong mapagbigay, no? Sobrang generous natin sa pagbibigay ng attention, affection, love, no? At ang nakikita ko dito, nag-aantay tayo na ma-reciprocate the same amount, no? I think dito papasok yung sinasabi natin na um, even with other person or with other people, no? Um, we are not the same when it comes to reciprocation. Hindi porket ganon yung love na ibinibigay mo, you might going to expect na people are going to, um, kumbaga, yung bawi or yung bigay sa iyo is the same level, no? Um, I think that this is also a learning experience for you na magtira ng konti para sa sarili. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, parang buong buhay mo ibinigay mo, yung buong attention mo, halos umikot na, no? Itong mundo mo, no? Dito sa relationship. With the hangman, kaya minsan sabi mo dito, nagrereklamo ko pero parang hindi rin naman. Hindi mo alam kung magrereklamo ba ako. Kasi dito, the person is upside down. Pero hindi naman siya nagrereklamo, no? I feel like there is an enlightenment in here. This is what I am seeing, no? Na merong enlightenment dito na probably you have to also seek options on how not to really focus on or give 100%, no? Kasi dapat meron ka ring mga time para sa sarili. Meron ka ring time to sabihin natin time para um, yung to do productive things, no? So, Sagis, I think that medyo na-hurt tayo kasi feeling natin hindi tayo nabibigyan ng halaga, no? Pero what I am seeing in here is yung emotion naman is halos same, hindi lang masyadong showy, no, si person. Ayan, so this is your reading. Sagittarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Scorpio, Taurus, Pisces, Sagittarius. I'm seeing Virgo, um, Capricorn. I'm also seeing Cancer. Ayan. So this is your reading, Sagis. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check yung ibang reading sa Babaylan TV. That is our other channel catered for our international audiences. And kung gusto niyo pong magtanong dito po sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling niyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Dito po sa description box, meron po dong link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. No? Check all the details. Nandun po yung payment information. No, we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So, this is your reading, Sagittarius. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.